bunny pancakes?
No!
Well, today is the day because we will be making healthy Easter bunny pancakes.
So yummy!
So stay tuned and let's get started. First, let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 50 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of wholemeal flour, 2 small eggs separated, 150 ml of skimmed milk, some oil for frying or some cooking spray, a few raisins for the bunny paws, 1 banana, and some chopped fruit. We will be using strawberries. These cute rabbit pancakes are a fun and healthy breakfast treat for kids. So let's get started. Step 1. Place both the self-raising and wholemeal flour into a large bowl and whisk to break up any lumps. Now add the egg yolks and a little of the milk, whisking to a thick paste. Add the remaining milk a splash at a time to loosen the batter. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites until they reach stiff peaks. Now gently fold the egg whites into the batter with a spatula, trying to keep in as much air as possible. Did you know that there is an entire day dedicated to pancakes? That's right, Pancake Day is always celebrated exactly 47 days before Easter. Step 3. Heat a large non-stick pan over a medium heat and carefully spray some cooking spray. Now, using a large spoon, add a generous dollop of batter to the pan in a round shape for the bunny's body. Now flip the pancakes after a minute or two once the edges are set and golden brown and the bubbles start to pop on the surface. Cook for another minute until golden brown. Now repeat this process for the bunny's head in a smaller round shape. Two small ovals for the feet. And 2 long, thin strips for the ears. Step 4. First, peel and cut the banana into slices. Now put the bunny body in the middle of the plate. Position the head, ears and feet just overlapping to look like the back of a bunny. Add a banana slice for the tail and raisins for the feet pads. Wow, these bunny pancakes are so cute And they look super yummy.
And that's it!
Super cute! It's a bunny pancakes!
That are healthy and delicious. Well, we are going to enjoy our pancakes now. So thank you for watching. See you all next time.
Good